Every week there's a new AI tool everyone says you need. This week it's Codex, OpenAI's coding agent. They say you just type what you want and it builds it. No code, no hassle. I'm 55. I work at a gas station. I installed it. Here's what actually happened. First, I had to install it. That was easy enough. One npm command. But then I tried to run it. Codex exec built a booking widget. And it failed. Not because I did something wrong, because I have an OpenAI API key, the kind developers use. But Codex does not want that. It wants ChatGPT Plus web cookies, a completely different auth system. Nobody tells you this in the hype videos. So I could spend another hour figuring out ChatGPT auth, or I could build it myself with the tools I already have. My agent Teddy, my terminal, Flask, SQLite, plain HTML and CSS. 20 minutes later, I had a working appointment booking widget. Calendar, time slots, phone validation, confirmation numbers, all real, all working. Here's what I built. Clients pick a date, pick a time, enter their name and phone, get a confirmation number. The barbershop owner sees all bookings in a simple API feed. Would Codex have been faster if it worked? Probably. But here is what the hype does not tell you. These tools fail. They have auth issues, rate limits, billing surprises. When you are building for real clients, you need something that works even when the magic breaks. I am not saying do not try new tools. I am saying know what you already have. My stack, Hermes Agent, Flask, SQLite, ffmpeg, got this done in 20 minutes without any new subscriptions or login dances. If you are watching this and thinking, I could never do that, I thought the same thing 6 months ago. Now I have a booking widget, a YouTube channel, and 2 AI agents who work for me while I am at the gas station. The tool does not matter. The doing matters.